is purely informational and not affiliated with any political party, nor the United States military and our government. Now, I'm speaking just to my Jamaican peeps, the peeps who have been naturalized and are U.S. citizens now, the peeps where have your green card and you feel like you're safe. Let me tell you something. I came to get a new driver's license because I'm retiring soon. Not soon enough though. And I have to get something called a real ID. So I'm gonna bring everything in. This is my 3rd time here, Dirty DMV, and bring everything in. Every time it's more paperwork to prove who I am. I brought in passport, driver's license, orders, citizenship paperwork, everything. Still can't verify who I am. No, today, here's where I'm at. They've taken my driver's license. They've taken my passport. They said they have to send it off to a higher entity to verify my identity. I'm a 20-year veteran. I've had 5 diplomatic U.S. passports. I've had 3 regular U.S. passports. I have lived in this country for 25 years. And again, I'm in uniform. And you're treating me like I'm an illegal alien trying to use false paperwork to get a real ID. Listen, if you're Jamaican and you watch this, make sure you have all of your paperwork. I mean, from your filing paperwork, certificate, everything, because these people are not playing. You know, you watch the news, you hear, but for actually experience it, yo, we're not safe. If you're going to travel out of this country or even in this country, make sure you have a file with a copy of everything, because they want to send them the whole away. Okay? And again, this is just my opinion. This is information. Take it if you want. If it don't apply to you, all right, cool. But